Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Vauxhall Corsa Excite. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 55 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 6, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Asteroid Grey and looks in nice condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in great condition with 2 cup holders there in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Bluetooth and DAB radio. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so ideal for the winter months. Cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've also got some extra storage, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, LED daytime lights, as well as the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.